is getting expensive, and here is how to deal with it. Have you noticed the everyday change in the prices of items? That's inflation, and it affects our finances. Let's explore what inflation is, how it affects us, and how we can protect ourselves. What is inflation? Inflation is the general rise in prices over time. While a bag of rice might jump from 50,000 naira to 70,000 naira, it is crucial to understand the bigger picture. Inflation affects different items and individuals differently. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, there are some strategies to consider on how to deal with it. Budgeting. Track your income and expenses to stay informed and adjust your spendings. Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your earning potential, but remember, financial stability is key. Buy in bulk. Today's price is not tomorrow's price for most household items, and it is important to buy essential products in bulk for today's price. Diversify your investment. Explore options that potentially outpace inflation, like stock or real estate, but understand the investment option before investing. If you learned something in this video, share with someone you love.